number one concern of Terra Solutions is the safety of their employees. Working in confined spaces, and particularly underground, may mean coming into contact with gas pipes, water mains, live electrical cables, and any number of other potential hazards. We carry out thorough risk assessments prior to beginning any new projects, and then practice evacuation drills on site to ensure that the real-world conditions match those that we have prepared for, which maximises the safety of our personnel. These drills ensure the procedures in place are fit for purpose, that pathways are all clear from obstruction, and that life-saving equipment is fully functional. Here is a video of our last evacuation drill on site in Wokingham. All of the personnel you will see in this video are certified to work in confined spaces, and the supervisor is also trained in first aid. They are using the correct equipment and all safety measures are in place. Note the high-vis clothing, as well as the scaffold around the pit and the sturdy safety ladder used for access. Electricity isolators, fall arresters and gas monitors are also in place on this particular job. Terra Solutions complies with the Personal Protective Equipment Regulations 2002 and the Provision and Use of Work Equipment Regulations 1998. First, the alarm is raised.
Help!
Next, a member of our team will have been designated to wear a safety harness at all times in case of such an occurrence. He descends into the shaft to check on the injured party using a winch connected to a davit arm and ascertains the injuries and their extent. A first aid kit is passed down quickly. In this instance, it is clear an emergency stretcher will be required to remove the injured party from the shaft. For the purposes of these drills, the emergency stretcher is filled with a number of weighty bits of timber to prevent any possible injuries occurring while immobilised on the stretcher. All of these precautions ensure that Terra Solutions are in line with the requirements of the Confined Spaces Regulations Law of 1987. Terra Solutions, the trenchless experts.